Hey guys, I'm going to do a bike check for you. This is Dreadlocks 90. Start off my grips. They are, if you can see it, Gary Young Odyssey grips with Odyssey bar ends. Stock bars. Let's get down. Exposure stem with a salt headset. We can't see it, let's come around here. Odyssey Racing Forks 2011. Down to my wheel. It is actually an Alienation on DK. Coming up, this is actually an FBM frame. Cost me £110 from ride. Don't know what that is in America. This is a Alienation Black Sheep rim, again on DK. Stock chain, sprocket and cranks. Odyssey twist pedals, do me well. It's an FBM seat, come with the frame. FBM seat post and clamp. So yeah, that's my bike check for you guys. Pretty quick, pretty simple, but yep. Thanks guys.